Okay, today is going to be a short day. I'm hoping to just implement our new... I'm going to make a Platform 3 here in A-Sprite. And then we're just going to paste it, and I'm not going to worry about the dynamic scaling of the platforms. The only one that's busted is Platform 3, and I'm not really that interested in getting that to work perfectly, because it's going to take hours to just get one thing done when we can just make it an A-Sprite real quick. So half given up, half not worrying about it, you know. So I'm going to look for the left platform and the right platform. Well, just the left platform. So we need to make a small platform for this profile 3, or platform 3. So if we take a look at it, it looks like it's not so long. So we can go ahead and copy this and do a different side of it, but I want to first erase this stuff. Our key tool. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna take this, Control Shift. How do you de-highlight? Deselect. Control D. Okay. So select this. Nope. Select this. And give us a Platform 3 that looks something like this. That's about right. How do you do the size? Brush size. Something like this for Platform 3. So if we can just figure out how to change the canvas size, which is easy enough, we're going to switch it by maybe 10. Yeah. Maybe 49 here. Yeah. Cool. So this is our new Platform 3. So we will save this as, or export as, a Platform 3. So Platform 3. Cool. So if we take a look at what we're trying to fix here, you'll see that we're drawing the right image of this platform too far, so it's covering the left side, which is why that bird can fly through it, but it's still incorrect. So instead, we want to go to our platform class, and we take a look. Our Platform 3 is the name, so we can go ahead and render the right half only if our name isn't 3. So if our name is equal to Platform 3, then we want to draw our Platform 3. So instead of this code, we want to do our Platform 3 drawable. Not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Okay. And we'll just draw it at our self.x. And our self.y. Let's see that. Nope. Drawable expected. Got a table. Platform 3 is a table. Let's see. Platform 3 is a platform instantiation. So yeah. Yeah, we can't draw that. We have to go to our main. We have to require our drawable we just made, which we did name the same exact thing, but like right here, we can say platform 3 sprite gets love dot graphics new image and its source fixed platform 3 dot png, and now that is a drawable. So now we need to render platform 3 here. No, in our platform class. We want to render not platform 3, but platform 3 sprite. Okay, and then we don't, for now, let's not even render the right half. I just want to see if platform 3 is working. And save it. Okay, so yeah, platform 3 is looking good. If we turn on in our play state, go back to turning on our render for our opacity for our reference layer, we can see what it's looking like. It's placed right, and it's looking pretty good. So there's the reference, and then it fades down into what ours looks like. So yeah, maybe left 1 pixel or something. But other than that, it's pretty good. So let's go left 1 pixel. And then call it good on platform 3. So let's make sure we're rendering the right half of the platforms for everything that's not platform 3. So we'll just say else, and then this is where we put this. Delete. Okay. Let's turn off so we can see. Turn off our opacity for the background transparency. Nice, platform 3 is good and accurate. Cool, so let's move on to our platform 4, 4L, and 5. And then we'll be done with the placement and the new aspect ratio. So let us go back here. We're gonna insert this back in so we can see what platform 4 and 4L is looking like. So 4 goes right under our platform. We don't have our platform 4 rendering right now. Yeah. Platform. Oh, you know what? It's too far to the left. Let's take like 30 off this, and now we should be able to see it. There. Let me take off our background transparency. Let's... Okay. Oh, it's right there. It's very close. So that's pretty accurate. Let's see. It needs to be almost touching that bottom platform. So we need to go up by like 2 pixels. X is looking good. Maybe right 1 and up 2. Something like that. So right 1. So right 1, so that would be 3, and then up 2, so this should be 28. And we'll see how that looks. Nice. So that's the reference, and then ours, maybe down 1, and then we can look at it. Let's go here and go take it off. That's looking good. So now we want to make sure the Y of platform 4 is the same as the Y of platform 4L. So yeah, we need to go down 1 here. And then we want to make sure platform 4L is looking decent too. So it needs to be to the left, maybe 4 pixels. Platform 4L does. So 4L. It's looking pretty close. Yeah. Maybe 1 more pixel to the left. Now I'm gonna put this off and test how it feels to walk along it. So let's see. Nice. Yeah, you know, it feels so different on this right side here because it's just a tight fit. But if we take a look at the original, it's kind of like that, or at least the one we've been comparing it to. Yeah, it looks like a little bit of a tight fit there, but that's how this one is. Yeah. Yep. Oh, and you know what? It's a little bit tight fit because we haven't placed the last platform yet. So let's check that. Let's check our last platform here. Yep, we're way off. So we need to be shorter, we need to be up a little, we need to be left. So we need to be left maybe 8, up 1, shorter by 20-ish. So let's see. Our platform 5. We should be, what I say, up 1. So this should be 6. Left, how much did I say? 10. Let's try 80. And then shorter by about 20, so we'll go down to 59. That's pretty damn close. We need to be longer by about 8 pixels-ish. So let's go to 67. We're a little bit too long. No. We're a little too short. Yeah, we need to be about 3 pixels longer. So, and even 70. 70. Cool. Nice. Okay. So, let's take a look with our background toggle off. Nice, dude. Yeah, that feels much better. Doesn't feel as tight in that bottom right corner. The top feels a little more spacious, which is nice. This is feeling good. So it's just that our bottom platform here is just not so aligned, you know? Our bottom platform is not centered. So we'll have to figure that out. First of all, where are we even rendering that? Ground bottom? Why would ground bottom be? Oh, okay. So let's shift it about 10 to the left and see. Nice. Maybe another 10 almost. A little too far to the right, so let's split the difference there and just call it 38. Nice. And we need to move our score to the left some. Where do we render our score? Right here. So our X is 67, so let's do 57, maybe 55. Nice. And then our lives need to go off by about 15 too. Where's our lives? Live render. So let's do 38, maybe 20, or 28, maybe 23. 123 for the score. Yeah. Or for the lives. Okay. Yeah, the score can go to the left just a tiny bit. Yeah, maybe 53 here. Yeah, that looks good. We've got our score, our lives, and we've got the new proper aspect ratio, which is a little more square. A little roomier on the top. It might be too roomy on the top. It's hard to say because the original one here has like a black border. So it's hard to tell where the actual game stops. But see, the top looks pretty roomy actually. Yeah, so that's the top. There's a little bit of border, but it looks about right. Cool. So, what, are we happy with this? Now everything's placed right. Our wave looks not exactly centered anymore. It's hard to tell. Is that centered? I don't know, it looks pretty good actually. I might have to do some shenanigans for the center, but let us do this real quick. We're just going to make a reference to tell if the wave one is centered or not. So if we take a look in our constants, we'll just look at our resolution, which is 260 by 240. So let's do 260 by 240 in A-Sprite. New 260 by, oopsie, 260 by 240, I said. And then, was it 260 by 240? Yeah, oops. So yeah, how would we do a, we need like a new shape. Well, 260, so half of that would be 130. Nope. 130 by 120 would be a quarter of that size, you know? So we can go ahead and make a little square, and we can kind of place that, and then place another. It's off. Okay, so that's a good center spot. So if we just export this as a frame called center PNG, we can export that, and we can go ahead and build us a reference here as a drawable. So we'll put it right here. We'll call it center reference, and it's right here. Center reference.png. Now what we can do is in our play state, you know, right before we print our wave, which is right here, we're actually going to do two things. One is we're gonna love.graphics.draw, and what we're drawing is our drawable called center reference, and where we're drawing it is 0, 0. But before we do that, we want to actually love.graphics.that color to be a little transparent. Set color to be a neutral color, but slightly transparent. So maybe 180 out of 255. And then we should be able to see if wave is centered. Center reference PNG does not exist. Did we not save it there? Oh, you know what? I think we saved it in karaoke. Yeah. We did not save our center reference here. I think what we did was save it in karaoke. No. Where did we save it? Export. Oh, just center PNG. Just center PNG. Okay. My bad. So we'll go back to our main. We'll go into here, and we're just center. Okay. That looks pretty centered. I'll keep center ref, but we will stop rendering it, and then we'll call it a day for getting our placements. We still need our ground platform to be a little wider, I believe. If we take a look at this, look at our ground platform versus theirs. Actually, it's looking pretty close. So that's theirs. So ours could afford, you know what? It's really close. Yeah, our lava level's higher too. Yeah, ours is a little shorter, but I think it's okay. I kind of prefer the higher lava level. So I think we're actually okay with that. So what we're gonna do is turn off that render reference. We're going to turn off our center reference as well. And then call it pretty good on our new reference photo alignment. Nice. And we got wave 2 going. Nice. Sweet. It looks like our platform spawns are still correct too. We didn't shift those. So those are not performing wonky, which is good. Nice. Oh, that Shadow Lord. Oh, well, we do have the egg hatch a little shorter for testing, so the only reason that jockey was in the air is because we still have a temporary hatch time limit to be 3 seconds instead of like the real version, which is like 15 or 10 or something. This is good, man. This is feeling very good. Awesome. Okay, I'm happy with that. We will make sure we're written. We will take a look at our get diff. Okay, so all we did was add new platform 3 sprite, a center reference sprite. We rendered platform 3 if our platform is in fact platform 3, otherwise we're rendering the platforms as normal with our adaptive sizing. We adjusted the locations of the platforms to match them to the original resolution reference photo. Then we aligned our bottom ground, and then we aligned our lives and our score, and we're also commenting out a center reference drawing for if we need it again. So I'm going to get at everything, say we have our aligned platforms according to source reference. Cool. Get push it. Cool. So tomorrow is going to be I don't know what tomorrow's going to be. We're going to have to take a look at our notes and see what we want to tackle tomorrow. But we're coming up close to the end, which is awesome. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.